follow the scriptures, who follow their gurus blindly. They are tied, they are in a bondage without right understanding. Understanding gives us the freedom. It destroys the rope that binds us. It destroys the emotions which is needed. So I must be able to follow the dictums with the conviction in my heart, not blindly, not without proper understanding. But if I say I'd like to obey because I love to obey, even this dialogue will also not go through when obedience, love and surrender, they're unfolding on their own. Because I am now becoming better and better within myself, and this change that is happening within myself, it's automatic, it is natural, it is sahaj. That's why this path is known as Sahaj Marg. Sahaj means things that unfolds naturally as an outcome of my heartfelt practice. The day when you don't feel like obeying because whatever has been told to you is not satisfactory to your heart, it is not convincing your heart, then you can even ignore the words of Vedas and Gurus. Forget them. Follow your heart.